This is it. This is the first day. And I'm talking quietly because I feel sheepish for being so excited, but I can't help it. That's not my bike, but that's my bike. And that's my bike. I have two bikes. This is so exciting. I can't wait. So we just stopped because there's some issues with the brakes. They're still working. This is our van. Well, not mine, but the person who's helping me. Really big van. We've got the 3 bikes in the back. And we've just stopped at Lordco to see if we can get those parts. And his son burned his finger. He won't accept my help with the first aid kit. But that's okay. I feel really excited because I used to live here for 9 months and we're almost at the Mission Raceway. We're about 10 minutes away. I can't wait.
Nothing people over there. There's RVs down there though. RVs? RVs, lots of RVs down there. In that big giant GM there. Oh shit.
Oh, that's great too.
Oh, it's back again.
Who's that?
Alright, getting set up here. There's my baby. Alright. Right. There's my baby.
How do I know that's ending up?
If you want, I can blur your face. Here's my friend's bike, Kawasaki 250. Sorry, Honda 250. Ducati. Well, it's 5:30 a.m. and I'm really excited. But as you can see, I was really cold last night and everybody's music was loud till midnight. So I'm going to be running or riding off of not much sleep.